I brush my teeth.
What?
I brush my teeth.
That's good, Ange. Well, you got toothpaste on your face, you know. Why don't you take a towel and wipe it off?
Yeah.
Well, that's a sponge, but I guess you could use that. Are you shaving?
Yes.
Yes? Is your face scratchy?
No.
How come? Because you shaved?
You can buy them.
Where?
See right there. And see it right there. See? I got it.
You got it?